If you want a woman to miss you so much that she starts questioning her own feelings for you, you need to move differently. Most guys chase, overtext, and over-explain, and that's why she loses interest. But a high-value man? He knows how to make her crave him. Here are 7 powerful secrets to make any woman obsess over you. Number 1. Stop contacting her, let her chase you. Women want what they can't have. When you pull away, she starts wondering, why hasn't he texted? Did he lose interest? That curiosity turns into obsession. Stop bombarding her with messages. Let her come to you. Number 2. Show her you're thriving without her. She's going to check your social media. If she sees you winning at life, hitting the gym, traveling, having fun, she'll feel like she's missing out. Post confidently, not desperately. Number 3. Don't fall for her attention. Traps. When she senses you pulling away, she'll post cryptic statuses or thirst traps just to get a reaction. Don't take the bait. The moment you do, she knows she still has power over you. Stay silent. Let her wonder. Number 4. Make her jealous subtly. Jealousy is powerful, but don't force it. Just be seen with other women. Post casual pics, mention new people, stay mysterious. If she thinks she might lose you, she'll start wanting you more. Number 5. Create emotional triggers. A woman doesn't just miss you, she misses how you made her feel. Give her a unique nickname, create inside jokes, share special moments. When she hears that song or sees that place, she'll instantly think of you. Number 6. Teach her something new. If you teach her something, a skill, a mindset, a workout, she'll always associate it with you. Every time she does it, you're in her head. Number 7. Stay cool when she reaches out. When she finally texts, don't overreact. Reply, but keep it short and confident. Let her do the chasing. If you act too eager, she'll pull away again. And that's it. Master these steps, and you'll never have to chase a woman again. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more game-changing advice. Now go be the man she can't stop thinking about.